So we got Darlene from SciStarter. So a lot of people you've seen today with Aaron, Karen, Passport Project, Carrie. We're really keen, with the health, and we've just started the discussion a little bit, but bringing the health in has complexities, but also a lot of potential because they're really picking up on that, and we give talks to them because there's learnings from citizen science that can really feed into health science and how they run their consumer-based research. Annie, thanks for staying on and participating in the discussion, but also on the board, Andrew, Helen Donovan, from DW, Sylvia has been here, Daryl, Katie, and also Carly, really important. We talked a little bit about the Indigenous engagement, which, is another, really important aspect, also with its own challenges. So really diverse board, and have a broad discussion, which I think is really inspiring as well in that context. So I think that's sort of my summary, but thanks again for everybody, also especially Wendy and Jesse and Rachel and running around, but it's been really good discussion. And Mikhail, taking lots of pictures as well. And hopefully nobody minds if we use them for a bit of publicity as well. So I think that's it. Grab, and I should probably turn this on again. If you want to grab another coffee, stick around if you still have a bit of energy, and discuss and network a bit. But I think we'll officially close here. Thank you.